What's up, y'all? This is Jason coming at you. So today we are going to learn Settle Here by William Murphy. The patterns to this song are really all over the place, so I'm going to teach it a little differently, but bear with me and we'll get through it.
Purify our hearts, Lord. Purify our hearts, Lord. Sanctify my heart, Lord. Sanctify my heart, Lord. Oh, Lord, we need you. We need to see you. Oh, Father, tonight we're desperate for.
Join our membership at holylessons.com for access to this complete tutorial and many more today.
Y'all help me say, purify our hearts, Lord. It's real simple, church. Say, purify. Purify our hearts. Ask him to sanctify my heart. Sanctify our hearts, Lord. Sing, children. Say, sanctify our hearts. Hey, here we go. Oh, Lord, we need you. You say it. Come on. Oh, Lord, we need you. Come on. We need to see you. We're desperate for you. Hey. Now let your glory settle right here. Let it settle here. There's a clarion call for the glory of God in our generation. I want you to raise up these words. Come on and take your seat. Come on and take your seat. You gotta ask him how burdens take us. With you we will you settle? Yes. Come on and take your seat. With you, will you settle? Yeah. Somebody throw your hands up and say, you can settle here. You can Somebody cry out for the glory of God tonight. Every hand in this building is lifted. I feel God responding to our corporate cry. You say this, settle down. Throw your weight around. Somebody say, settle down. Right here. Throw your weight around. He'll do it if you ask him, but you gotta say it out of your own mouth. Say it, say, settle down. Here's why we need you to do it. Here's why. We need to see a sign. We need to see a wonder. Somebody ask him. We need to see a sign.
All right, so first off, it's in the key of F sharp. F sharp, A flat, B flat, B, C sharp, E flat, F, and F sharp. So definitely refer to the screen on this one. So I'm going to try to put some things up there that can help highlight the pattern as they come. All right, let's get started. The first mini pattern that we're going to learn is going to be called the 4-3. All right, first, on my left hand, B, E flat, F sharp. On my right hand, B, grace note from the C sharp to the E flat, and F sharp on my pinky. Second chord. On my left hand, I have B flat, F sharp, A flat. On my right hand, B flat, C sharp, and F sharp. All right. Now, the next mini pattern that we're going to learn is going to be called the 7-6. And of course, I'm sure you've realized these are following the scale degrees of the scale. So this one is 7-6. All right, first chord. On my left hand, I just have F. On my right hand, I have A flat, C sharp, E flat, F, and A flat. All right, next chord. This is a 4/6. So 4 is essentially the tonal quality and 6 is the bass. In my left hand, E flat, F sharp, B flat. In my right hand, B, C sharp, E flat, F sharp. So, all right. Our next pattern that we're going to learn is going to be a 5-1. All right, 5. In my left hand, C sharp, A flat, C sharp. In my right hand, A flat, C sharp, F, A flat. Then you're gonna want to hit the B as the melody, ba-da, B to the B flat. As you're hitting on your left hand, F sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. So it goes like this. Now, the next line, your right hand and your left hand are on two different notes. The right hand is B, B flat, A flat, B, B flat. Left hand, E flat, C sharp, B, E flat, C sharp. The whole phrase. All right. Now, that is essentially the crux of the beginning of the song. They play it with some of the other parts removed. So they start on the 1, and they're just playing with the arpeggio. And then he says, purify our. There's our 4-3. And then after that, he does the 7-6. This walk up we're gonna learn. Back to the 4-3. And then the 5-1. All right, so now let's learn that walk up. I'm gonna call this mini pattern the walk up. All right, so that's the walk up. All right, so on our first chord, I'm walking E flat, F, and then chord. In my left hand, E flat, B flat, E flat. In my right hand, B flat, C sharp, F sharp. And sometimes B flat, C sharp to the E flat. All right, next chord, F in my left hand, C sharp, E flat, right hand, A flat, C sharp, E flat, F, A flat. You're gonna melody.